so I can just wait that.
Magaling electrician.
Yeah, like he's like Brett.
I used to do that.
Kaji, ano yung tinda mo? You wanna pee now? Is it cleaner for us? Dalhin to me.
Bahay ni Mac?
Go right now.
Yeah. No. Light it up on one end and then like it go like dozens of them, right? Oh.
I want to go home now. I want to go home now. There's another.
I don't
There's
wanna
a
go
Dylan
back.
Junior. I want to go home now. I want to go.
Oh. Dylan, you wanna go home? Let's go.
Ano mo, kain ko sa amin. Ano, brunch niya, breakfast and lunch. Hindi ka ba sumabay sa sama? Bukasin mo na yung plastic para lalong maano.
Buwan na kuwan niya.
Yeah, iladlad mo na lang, G. Ay, hindi mo pa pala binuksan, G. Ang sarap niya, inihaw na isda. Kailangan natin magsabaw yung pero ngayon tayo darating si Jen sa labas. So, yung sabaw mo unahin. Yeah. Kasi, pwede sa partner na munggos yung manok mamaya, nasa isda ang kasi. Para balance pa tayo. Then after we eat, we can go out. Diba, G?
Yeah.
At least we have food. I-open mo man ang lahat ng plastic, G, pati yung isa. Kasi pwede namang i-ano. Maaga yung aalis sila dyan.
Oh yeah.
Magdala pa rin. Ewan ko kung ano galing niya pagkain.
Sabihin mo na yung site 18 sa akin.
Sinabi ko, site 18.
Mine's outside.
We're gonna go for a ride later.
Yeah, sure.
You want me to warm up the fried rice ko yung ano? G? Fried rice ko yung rice?
Iwan ko sa idun eh. Ilag.
Gusto pa niyo ng fried rice?
Yeah, gusto.
Maybe after I
Okay.
brush my teeth and have a coffee. You go now? Yeah, let's go now actually. We'll wait for the coffee to get hot.
It's gonna be Saturday. It's gonna be hot there.
Let's go, shall we? Just to work. Yeah. Where do you go from here?
Lagi, G. Pinitan natin kanin. Take out.
Looks like I can take your bike.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the same?
May bawang ka naman, di ba?
Sure.
Fried rice ko.
You wanna go by somewhere?
So that it will not taste that.
You want a towel?
Yeah, he can
Hear that? Oh,
go hiking with you guys.
I'll protect you from birds.
Go away, bird. Stay away. Okay, no.
Then, Brett, you're gay. Then, Brett, you're gay.
Ayaw daw manood lang. Sabihan na doon na, oh, sexy babae.
Yeah,
Sabi,
ayaw
oh
yung
no.
manood. Baka ayaw niya nga na may mga sexy-sexy na babae. Pag ano ka, sasayaw sa mga babae. Ano
Yung
naman?
ibang lalaki, oh,
Oh,
matad,
yeah.
may dilat.
Parang ano si Brett, parang ewan.
Oh, naku, hindi
Ako
nagmana
may
tama.
lahi pa naman. Ana, I'm gonna fry the rice. Di ate bawang mo din. Para hindi ano.
Yeah.
Oh, inyo mo nang gay.
Yeah, like what's my camera?
Joy.
Ugaw na,
Ines, di mo na naglagay niyan. Sama na lang.
Adi, lain niya, ngamuan ni, gamay ni. Hanggang sabon, lalako.
Andun yung malaki kay Jerry.
Tawag ba? No, turay akong kuan. Abi mo mauning ko. Tungaon nagbas. Sira mo gamay. No, there's
Amin na yung skewer yung rice. Hindi ano ko.
fry mo?
Yeah.
Ito na lang kayo sa akin.
Ay, nasama mo na rin. Amin na yung kanin.
Sayang.
Amin na.
Maybe he thought you were gonna like,
Kapalit ang?
ask him to go pose with him or something, and he's like shaking his head already.
Okay. May I need to get that garlic part. Okay.
Ito, wala na ba ito?
Wala na yan.
Last night?
Mga disposable na. Wala na pa.
Oh yeah, you
Party
went.
mechanic.
You should have came and knocked. I would have came.
I can even hear people like going to the bathroom in the middle of the night.
Wala pala akong cooking oil. May pandala akong kompleto ah.
Yeah, meron pa ano rito ah.
I need cooking oil. I need to fry this one.
Oh, yung cooking oil mo, pero.
Ako nga pala mag-igisa ng munggol. Ang tawag lang ng munggol ko is daan. Saka yung ano.
Oh, okay, then you buy that.
Kaya ano muna itong balat, Laura?
Thanks, Joe. Wait, so much wait.
Wait for the fried rice.
Ah, smoke's in my. It's coming to me.
Tama, gising na.
Gusto mo niya mainit. Mga asawa niya mainit. Special si Edwin.
Hey, where's the water?
Right here.
There's a lot of cooler there.
I fill up
Guys,
your
just
jug?
open it.
No, hot water. I mean,
Hot water?
is there. It's done. It's done.
It's ready.
it's finally done.
That's your third attempt?
For real? Yeah, it is my third.
Ubus na yung kape mo, Joy. Hindi mo naman marunong magtimpla ng kape to. Alam mo, gusto pa niya hahainan mo. Ganyan siguro ginagawa ng ina.
Ay, nako.
Para na pa siya, bigay mo sa kanya lahat. Kaya pala,
Ngayon, matutusikip, mag-survive ngayon.
yeah, hainan mo pa siya. Hindi katulad ni Brad na, sige lang paano.
Ubusin niya, tapos na ngayon kumain ng ano.
Wala.
Oh.
Wala na yung kape mo.
Kaya lang binili ko ng
Next time, bili ka ng
Bilang
isang
yung
lakas.
malaki,
Yung
ubus
malaki,
na, oh.
Yeah, meron pala itong malakas uminom eh. Akala ko.
Yuper na may cooking oil, Yuper.
Can you make it coffee and milk, like all milk?
Oh,
Hey, not too much coffee, Kyle. Enough.
That's not too much. I can handle it.
Are you sure?
I need to wake up. What?
Oo, ganyan lang.
Yeah, I need to have more.
Yuper, kung
Right?
pagkain mo, hindi ka pa nakain.
Closer.
Yuper, kumain ka na. Pagkain mo, oh. Kain mo din. Pag inip.
one more. Want some more? Bawang?
Later na lang. Alam mo bang nasa ano, yung bawang
what's
daw pag
that?
pinitpit mo,
That's nice.
at least 10 minutes mo bago
This is
lutuin,
like the,
para yung
The thing that Christ drank out of in the Last Supper.
Oh, yeah.
mas effective sa katawan mo.
Yeah.
Ano yung...
Yung bawang.
You never want? I'm gonna
Yeah.
die.
Grill.
after this.
The Holy
Hindi,
Grail.
al dente
Yeah, the
yun,
Holy
ano,
Grail.
you
Yeah,
don't
exactly.
You don't have
Kailangan
to
mga
cook
10
it,
minutes,
right?
yeah.
You don't have to cook it,
You
right?
don't have to cook it right away kasi daw para hindi maalis yung
Yeah, yung...
antioxidant product mo.
I guess I should have figured out it wasn't hot when it wasn't.
Yung bawang,
Yung
diba,
bawang,
pag
you
nagpipit
don't-
ka,
This one.
leave it for at
This
least
one, when it
10
wasn't
minutes.
steaming, I should have figured
bago
out
mo
probably it
lutuin.
wasn't hot, right?
Para
yeah.
yung
Like, hey,
laban
what?
niya sa ano, hindi mawala.
O yung kanin ni
Give
Super.
me that, Yuper.
Hey, we didn't say grace.
Yeah, we didn't say grace.
I know Grace.
Oh, Lola. Your Lola is not here. Don't mind her.
She would disapprove highly of this. I'm gonna tell her we didn't say grace.
I know somebody named Grace,
She's
so
always
Do you?
saying,
I'm good.
You're good?
she's always the boss.
Lucky you.
Oh, you do this, you do that. Oh, ayaw na na. Kumain ka na, Yuper. O, hinihintay mo yung kanin. Ay, yung kape. May hot chocolate dito. Oh.
No. How can you sleep with all this noise? I'm afraid to
That's
put this
too
milk
black,
in.
Kyle.
Oh, you play with Shelly and Kyle. Mommy's
My
cooking.
soul.
What? Tell your